Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in US Bank Equipment Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in US Bank Equipment Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of the US Bank website. On the top navigation bar, you can see login option, click on login. Now you need a username and a password to log in. First of all, you have to select the account type. Here I am choosing online banking. Now type in your username. If you click on this box, then the browser will save the information. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logged in from a public computer. Now type in your password. If you need any help or if you are having some trouble logging in, you can click on this link and recover. And if you want to create a new username and a password, you can click on this link and create a new account. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in US Bank Equipment Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.